Nah, Achalugo Bian come to Gaka now. Do you think it's easy? Do you think it's easy to carry palm wine from Amodu? This palm wine, they had to bring it today. I had to wait. The thing came down and I brought it. Now, my friend, you come to Gaka now. No, Negodiuku. Kachi, did I not make a good choice? I have to stand. Hey, Acha. Hey, Ngabumma. Tata. You look beautiful. Like, you look beautiful. Let me help you. How come this one is gold? That was going to be right.
Life happens.
And life happens. You should not give me the one that I used to drink from one. No, yes, can't take a call.
You record everything.
You have to record it. Hey! To Hey! Now what Tom Kajipori? Auto boom. Hey! Charlie. Hey! Kachi, leave this clothes you are drying and snap us now. I don't understand. Kachi has been drying clothes for the past 20 minutes. Huh? Kachi, say a picture now. Hi!
Can you take me